So in today's video I have this Mercedes W203 2005. I'm just going to adjust the handbrake, or in this case, well, the handbrake is operated by the foot, by your left foot, and released by your hand on that handle there. So the thing is, this one is traveling a little bit too much in. I just want to adjust it a little bit so it doesn't feel loose. Now for that we need to get the rear seat out. Lifting the seat up is a little bit hard on this car. To get it out of here, you have to get your hand behind and start lifting, and I'm using that bar as well there to help me out a little bit. So I'm gonna get this up and then we can access what's underneath. So I've used that crowbar there, which is not a big one but it's a small one, just to help me lift this up a little bit. Okay, so I'm just gonna hold the seat up a little bit like that. We then need to just move this cover out a little bit. So with that cover up, there is two 8mm bolts and one, I think it's a 10mm bolt. Okay, so the bolt I'm just undoing, or the nut I'm just undoing, it's actually a 13mm, and then there is another two 8mm. So there's one there and there's another one just hiding behind that seatbelt buckle. So I'm just going to remove those three. Okay, so the adjusting nut, it's a 13mm, it's just that one in the center there. So basically what I've got at the moment, it's a very deep handbrake. So that's going all the way in. I just want it to be a little bit higher than that. So I'm not gonna go mad on that. Just gonna give it a few turns and then test the pedal. Okay, I'm just going to test the pedal now. And that feels much better already. Just gonna give it another 2 maybe turns here. And that's it. Just adding some WD-40 here to the cables. And I think one more turn. And that's it really. So now I'm gonna fit everything back. So the pedal feels much nicer now. Now we can refit all our bolts and just put the seat back together.